India digital class. Today I would like to explain the first chapter of 9th class, that is matter around us. First of all, we have to learning about the matter. We have to learn science. The word science, introduction of science. What is science? First of all, we have to so many questions and so many problems we get. That means, how does coconut water inside it of a hard shell, and a big ship floated in water, but a small stone cannot float in water. Why? How does a flower can turns into fruit? This is also one of the question. And why does stars appears small at the same time sun also? And why does sun gives light and heat? These are so many problems and questions we have it. These are to get the answer. These are all questions we have to learn about the word science. First of all, we are learning introduction of science. Introduction to science. What is science? The science word comes from Latin word that means scientia or scientia. The scientia meaning was knowledge. What is knowledge? The science is a systematic way of knowledge attains to passing through the observation and experimentation. What is science? It is nothing but knowledge. What is knowledge? Knowledge is nothing but observation and experimentation. Any example of observation and experimentation? Yes, I will tell you one example, that is Newton's laws or Newton's law of gravitation. You know the story, that is one tree, that is apple tree, and one man sitting on that tree. You know that man is nothing but only one person, the greatest scientist, that is Isaac Newton. That man first observed why the apple down the earth. After that man so many experiments do for that experiment. That's why we have the law of gravity, the law of so many laws. That means law of theory of. Newton observed that one apple fall down on the earth. Why does that apple cannot go to the upstairs or sky? After that he observed and then experimentation. Both are coming to found that he finally found that Newton's laws. They are, you know, that Newton's first law, second law, and third law. That is nothing but observation and experimentation is nothing but knowledge. You gain the knowledge, that is science. What is science and which they are coming from science? That is converting into culture. What is culture? First of all, culture is nothing but the earlier man developed. That is called culture. What is the earlier man? Forefathers, like grandfathers. Forefathers developed the culture. That culture, the development of science is called, the development of culture is called science. What is science? That is, we have so many examples of our daily life. That is nothing but the development of science helped with man life luxuries. That is nothing but ACs, televisions, computers, internet, high-speed bullet trains, and space travel, high quality of food, the quality of education, what not. Everything today, the enjoying of man's life is the product of science. The product of science is nothing but technology. That technology we are using today. But what is science? The science can be divided to broad categories. divided into two broad categories. That one is physical science and another one is natural science. First one, please. Physical science is nothing but the study of non-living things. What is the meaning of non-living things? The live or alive or dead? Non-living things means wood or the piece of chalk or bench, everything. That is non-living things. What is the meaning of natural science? The natural science is nothing but the study of living things. What are livings? Human beings, plants, pesticides, animals, living things. The physical science again divided into two categories, that is physics and another one is chemistry. At the same time, natural science can divide into two types. One is botany, another one is zoology. First of all, what about zoology? What is zoology? The study of animals. The study of animals. And what about botany? The study of plants. That is called botany. What is the meaning of chemistry? The study of composition of matter. What is the meaning of composition? Composition means mixing. Two or more matters can be composed or mixed with together form another matter. That type of phenomenon is called chemistry. That means study of composition of matter. First of all, we have to learn about matter. That's why we again divide into these four types of branches in science. That means finally we got physics. What is the meaning of physics? Physics is nothing but study of matter and energy. Study of matter and energy. We have matter. First of all, we got it matter. What is matter? And matter around us. Okay, my dear students, we have to discuss about definition of matter and examples of matter. What is the definition of matter? Matter is anything which occupies space and has a mass. What is the meaning of space and what is the meaning of mass? For example, the piece of chalk is a matter. Why? Because the piece of chalk has some space and having some mass. That's why the piece of chalk is one of the matter. Okay, and so many examples are there. They are your book is a matter, pen is a matter, wood is a matter. Everything you can see and feel everything is a matter. So many examples are there. Few examples are written here. That means metals, because metal having some space, and natural materials, acids, bases, wood, coal, so many extra etc. Okay, a small poem on matter. This is very useful to you are understanding the matter. That means you are matter. You are all are matter because you all are having some space, some weight, some bones, some blood, and so many. At the same time, I am matter. I am also some weight, some mass, some organs. That's why I am also matter. Water is matter. Water, the liquid is matter because the liquid inside so many molecules, atoms are involved in it. That's why water is also matter. Air is water. Air is matter. Why air is matter? Air contains so many gases like our breathing carbon, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon, krypton, so many gases involved in it. That gases are having small masses. That's why that gases are having small space. What is the definition of matter? Matter is anything which occupies space. So molecules and atoms are having some space and having also some small masses. So air is also matter. At the same time, sun is matter. You know the sun. It gives a light and heat. Sun is also matter. At the same time, stars are matter. Stars are also a matter. Everything you see in the world and everything you feel in the world is a matter. That is, trees are matter, hills are matter, oceans are also matter, and finally the whole universe is matter, because everything is matter, because everything having some space and mass. Okay students, already we discussed definition of matter and the examples of matter. Let's now we learning what does matter consists of. What does matter consists of? Matter consists molecules, and molecule consists atoms. Atom inside the nucleus is available and around the electrons. Nucleus and around the electrons. The nucleus is nothing but protons and neutrons. These are also called as nucleons. Proton and neutrons, these two inside the nucleus are called as nucleons. And so many subatomic molecules like neutrinos, bosons, gluons, gravitons, positrons, quarks, and extra. What is the molecules inside the matter? First, that word can be coming from a Greek philosopher. That named scientist was Democritus. 490 before Christ. Around 490 before Christ is explained the matter made of discrete building blocks. That means matter contains discrete, so many blocks like buildings. He conclude that in around the 419 before Christ. After that, so many physicists or so many scientists researched in matter. Matter is made of molecules. Matter is made up of molecules. This term invented by the famous scientist Boltzmann. And further researches in deep or depth on matter, our physicists can evolve another word. The made of molecules contains atoms. Made of molecules contains atoms, and that means simply example. This is a some anything of one of the matter, like sphere. This sphere having some space like this and some mass. Some mass is nothing but molecules. We have to take one of the molecule. This is molecule. This molecules, zoom it. The molecule contains inside the molecule so many atoms, and this is nothing but atom. Again, further investigation of matter inside the molecules and atom. The atom contains, this is atom. The center of the atom is called as nucleus. The center of the atom is called as nucleus. What is nucleus? The nucleus was carefully inventing to the some scientist. The scientist name is called as Rutherford. The nucleus having two subatomic particles. The two subatomic particles are called as neutron plus proton. This is nothing but nucleus. These two subatomic particles are also called as nucleons. These two subatomic particles like neutron, proton is called as nucleons. And inside the nucleus, that means this is nucleus. Inside the nucleus, not only two subatomic particles having. This is also so many like thousands of or hundreds of subatomic particles are available. Our physicists can be few of the subatomic particles are founded or invented. That few subatomic particles are not only proton and neutron. Remaining are few are neutrinos, bosons, gluons, gravitons, positrons, quarks, etc. Okay. Okay, students. Let us move to states of matter in the Earth surface. The matter mainly divided into three states of Earth surface. Okay. Matter is mainly divided into three parts. The first one is solids, liquids, and gaseous. What are the examples of solids? Like ice cube. What is the example of liquids? So many examples are there. That is water, milk, petrol, oil, everything. What are the examples of gaseous? In example, we breathe the air. That is the best example of gases. Or so many gases like CNG, compressed natural gas, and LPG, liquid pressure gas. These all are examples of gases. Okay. What are the properties of solids, liquids, and gases? Here, a small diagram here. These all are molecules. The distance between the one molecule to another molecule is very close, but not attached. That means atoms are closely packed in solids. Solid example is ice cube, diamond, wood, pen, pencil, like that. These all are solids. Okay, and this property of solid is atoms are closely packed, but solids having definite shape and fixed volume, and the solids are also known as rigid bodies. What is the meaning of definite shape? That means the shape of the solid does not change. Ice cube having some type of shape, and wood having some type of shape. At the same time, diamond having some type of shape. And so many shapes are available here. Definite shape and fixed value. Okay, students, let us do one activity, the property of solids. First of all, what is the property of solids? Definite shape and fixed value. The force acting on any solid body cannot change of shape. That is the property, and cannot change the value. The activity was, first of all, you have to take one hand, that is one book, and another hand, that is one pen. Those are one hand book is fall down on the earth. Then we have to measure the what is the shape or changes of shape of book. You will be measure what is the change of shape of book. You can't. And another pen is also dropped on the earth floor. This is also cannot change the shape of the pen, and also measure the value. The book volume is same in our hand, at the same time on the floor of the book. That's why this activity proves the definite shape of the solids and fixed volume of the solid. Okay. After that, another activity. What is the property of liquids? The property of liquids are no fixed shape. Liquids are having no fixed shape. The container having the shape like a bottle, like glass, or like any conical glass. The shape are having the liquids, and also liquids are having fixed value. That means no fixed shape and fixed value. This is also a, we have to let us do one activity. That means we have to take one jar and one volumetric flask and one big test tube. These three jars. Let us do the activity for the proof of liquids having no fixed shape and fixed value. Let us take, we have to take one jar and one volumetric flask and one test tube. 50 ml of milk pour in the jar and volumetric flask, at the same time test tube. We have to observe that three containers are having three separate shapes, three different shapes. That's why liquids have no fixed shape because of the container having the own shape, like test tube, like volumetric flask, like jar, or everything. Okay. After that, what is the fixed value in these three containers? Our pour into the jar 50 ml of milk, at the same time volumetric also 50 ml of milk, at the same time the pour the milk in test tube also 50 ml of milk. These 350 ml milk we have to measure it, volume, check the volume. These three are having 50 ml only. So liquids are having no fixed shape but fixed volume. After that, the last one is gaseous state. Best example is air, CNG gas and LPG gas and so on. In the gaseous state, the negligible of forces of attraction between them. That means the attraction between the one molecule to another molecule is very less force attraction between them, and no fixed shape of gaseous state. These are also the closed container having the shape of the gaseous state. Like that, we have to take a small vessel. In this, some gas is available here. We have to close the container. After that, these gas molecules are kept inside, and these molecules are always moving onwards. Like liquids and gases also same property. These two liquids and gases are the molecules of each liquids and gases moving towards onwards, everything anytime. Okay, students. Another three states of matter. These are, first one is plasma, Bose-Einstein's condensation, and fermionic condensation. Plasma state is semi-solid and semi-liquid state. This plasma state available in only on the surface of the sun, because this plasma state takes place in a high temperature like 10 to the power of 9 Kelvin. The temperature available in only at on the surface of the sun. Okay. Bose-Einstein condensation and fermionic condensation. These three another states of matter we will discuss in another class. Okay, students. Thank you.